You're looking for how to buy shares of ADMA Biologics Inc., a U.S. biopharmaceutical company focused on plasma-derived therapies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ADMA. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy ADMA, you'll need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker ADMA to find the company. Choose the listing that explicitly matches ADMA Biologics Inc. to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company description and examine the price chart to confirm you have ADMA Biologics Inc. Verify the NASDAQ listing and the ADMA ticker before moving forward. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your ADMA position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. See the eToro link in the description for the platform used in this example.